dodgy in the dark. Straight in the river. Good morning. Oh, it's a bit cold. We're back out on the e-bike, giving it another run out. It's a lovely cold morning, so I thought I'd give you a bit of an update on the bike. I think I'm about 1200 kilometers on it now. Still going well. Nothing really to report any problem wise. The only thing I did do was picking it out, but I changed the rim on my wheel because these tyres were really badly fitted compared to the rear wheel. The sizing was completely out, a couple of mil out, so I changed the rim, a ride Dutch or a Dutch ride one, and that fits a lot better. I'm a lot happier with how the tube sits on it now on the tyre, because it just, you know, it basically it wasn't on very well. So yeah, and apart from that, still have the odd time where the hub cuts out for a nanosecond and then back in again, but all in all it's going well. Can't really say anything bad about it. You know, it's a 250 motor, it's not the fastest, you're not going to be breaking any records, it just gives you that assist, because I use it without any of the Bluetooth controllers and stuff like that. But yeah, still going strong. It's still probably one of the cheapest e-bike kits on the market. I think with a voucher at the moment, I think it's about $5.50, so it's still good value for money. You can pay up to over £1,000 for a cheapish e-bike. This is a Cannondale with the e-bike kit fitted, so the bike was about, I think the bike was about $6.50, and the kit cost me just under 500 when I got mine in 2020. Yeah, that'd be right. Yeah, late 2020 I got mine, so yeah. Right, let's continue on. I'm not going that way, we'll go this way. Put the wrong tyres onto there. I've got no traction with these things, so I watch me step everywhere I go. There's a few dodgy bits along here. Right, come to a dead end. One day, hopefully, this viaduct will be back open and get across, because I need to get across really along that river bank and follow it. There's a path that goes along through the trees there, but they're still arguing over it. Council, railway, yeah, it's covered in grease as well, so you can't even climb it. People have tried. Yeah. Anyhow, we're gonna go back up that way. See if I can get out. A bit of a barricade. This lot's just a bog, sodden. I don't know if I can go around. The whole lot just looks sodden, so I think I'll just go back be the safest option. So this was the old route of the Waverley line from Carlisle up to Edinburgh. Obviously that viaduct was what took it over the river and north out of the city. Not anymore. Right, that's just nearly done. Yeah, definitely needed grippier tyres for this ride out, but all is good. Shit up, but everything performing as it should be. The wheel, obviously, the e-bike part of it doesn't like being in the mud, but probably because of the tyres, I was just slipping and sliding everywhere. Yeah, so just over, well, I think it's just under 1,200 kilometres that I've managed to do so far. See, I don't use it all the time because I have two other bikes I use, alternate. So watching this one and just a quick ride out, update on the bike. I'll catch it out sometime soon. Morning.